Everyone is telling you to follow the same viral AI trends, but almost nobody is talking about this hidden niche where even small channels are getting millions of views again and again. And the craziest part? You can make these videos in under 5 minutes. Look at this channel. Over 300,000 subscribers, and most videos are crossing millions of views with only around 70 uploads. Here's another one. Same story. 300,000 plus subscribers, around 90 videos, and huge views. This niche is literally growing day by day, and most creators are still sleeping on it. So today, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to create these videos using AI. Let's go. First, open the doc link I provided in the description. Copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will give you 10 trending video topics for this niche. Choose one topic number. For example, I'll choose number 5, so I'll simply type 5. Now you'll get image prompts, video prompts for the full transformation video. Now go to Flow AI. Copy image prompt 1 and paste it in Flow AI. Generate the image and save it. Now copy image prompt 2, generate it, and save it. Repeat this until you generate all 5 images. Now you have all the scene images ready. Now choose Frames to Video. Choose first image as frame 1 and second image as frame 2. Paste video prompt 1, and in the end add no background music, only realistic worker sounds. Hit generate, and your first clip is ready. For other videos, do the same process. Image 2 to image 3, video prompt 2. Image 3 to image 4, video prompt 3. Image 4 to image 5, video prompt 4. And boom, now you have 4 perfect clips. Save them all. Now open your editing software. Import all the clips and arrange them in order. Now do these 3 simple edits. Add cuts, remove slow parts. Slight zoom in to remove borders, logos. Add smooth transitions if you want, and your viral video is ready. One thing that makes these videos go viral is realistic sound. So if you can keep worker sound, drilling sound, sanding sound, construction ambience, it increases watch time a lot. So that's how you can create videos in this trending niche and grow fast on YouTube. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Reavron, and comment below what niche you want me to cover next.